Hey everyone, I just got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, we reveal 3 hidden One UI 7 settings that will make your phone faster, smarter, and easier to use. If you already update your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, One UI 7 lets me know how to use easy sound and vibration mode. Setting 1. How to use sound and vibration. Easy. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Here you can see a mic icon next to the volume panel. If you tap it once, it will switch to mute or vibration mode. If you want to move control panel sections like brightness or media output, tap the pan icon in the upper right corner. Drag and drop the tiles to rearrange their order. Then tap on Done. Settings 2. How to change color when creating a new folder. Long press any app icon. Drag it on top of another app. Folder will be automatically created. You can rename the folder and change its color. Tap the palette icon at the top right next to the folder name. Choose a color. Setting 3. How to move quick settings tiles. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Tap the pen icon in the upper right corner. Select edit buttons or just edit, and depends on One UI version. You'll see all the active and available buttons. Drag and drop the tiles to rearrange their order. Move frequently used tiles to the top for easier access. Once done, tap Done or back arrow to save your changes.